How much capital do I need to start trading? One of the most common questions I get is, how much money do I need to start trading Forex? The truth is, there's no fixed amount, but here are some things to consider. Under broker requirements, most brokers allow you to open a Forex account with as little as $100. 1. But keep in mind, the lower your capital, the higher the risk of losing it quickly. 2. Leverage. Forex brokers offer leverage, which allows you to control larger positions with a small amount of money. 2. For example, with 100 leverage, a $100 deposit lets you control $10,000 in trades. 2. But be careful. While leverage can increase your profits, it can also magnify your losses. 3. Risk management. A good rule of thumb is to risk no more than 2% of your trading capital on a single trade. 3. So if you start with $500, you should risk only $5 to $10 per trade. In summary, while you can start with $100, I recommend starting with at least $500 to $1,000 to give yourself enough room to manage risks effectively and grow your account.